Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Quora space on Quora. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need just to head to the Quora.com website, and from here you will need to make sure that you are logged into your account, and now all we need to do is to start creating our working space or just the Quora space. So from here, if we go to our settings or profile, we will find these Quora Plus, the dark mode settings, etc. And from here, we can start creating posts. And to create space, we need just to go to this navbar here, where we can find all the Quora spaces. And all we need to do is to click on create space. Now you will need just to give it a name, test space for example, and let's uh, just give it some name that is not available, that is already not already available. You give it a brief description and we click on create, and basically now you can start inviting people to your space so they can contribute on it. And now we have our space that has been created, and from here you can start managing your space by going to the settings. You can start adding description. You change its URL from here, so as you can see, this is the URL of our space. And basically you can start giving it some modification like the cover photo, etc. And for submission you can also have some settings to change, etc. And basically now let's go back to our space, and from here you can start seeing all the people contributing on your space, the submission or the posts. And the stats means the engagement like the views, follows, upvotes, etc. And of course the admin log to see what the admins are, or all the admins action on your space. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.